Vocabulary Quiz 6.5. Read each question and circle the correct answer. Be sure to pause the video after each question so you can respond. Number 1. The principal said he'll have to blank Dina from school if she gets into trouble again. Escalate, suspend, access, document. 2. My memories before the age of 3 are pretty blank. Oasis, mischief, hazy, craved. 3. My blind uncle's seeing eye dog is his constant blank. The two go everywhere together. Mischief, oasis, document, companion. 4. Marco is a blank learner. He'd much rather see how something is done than read the instructions. Access, visual, suspended, documented. 5. After the age of 70, people's health problems usually blank. Escalate, suspend, crave, access. Number 6. Which of the following is an example of the word access? A trick your class plays on your teacher, a friend who has been in your life for a long time, a pool of water in the middle of the desert, an open gate that leads to the beach. 7. Someone who liked to skydive with a parachute would most likely crave adventure, hitting the ground, birds, chicken. 8. On which day is it most common for people to cause mischief? The 4th of July, April Fool's Day, Thanksgiving, or President's Day? 9. Which of the following is an example of the word oasis? A book you have to read for class, a busy street full of people, a party you must attend to impress someone you like, a park you like to visit to get away from your troubles. And number 10, which of these is a document? A hammer, a letter, a monkey, a waterfall?